Switch statement lead multi-case decisions. The switch statement is a clear, efficient way to handle multiple cases in code. It makes decision-making easier in your program, cleaner than many if-else chains. Switch syntax. Case break default explain. Case matches a value to run specific code blocks. Break stop execution to prevent failing through other cases. Default runs when none of the cases match. Code example. Menu system intro add subtract. Create menu with option for add and subtract. Use switch to handle user choice efficiently. Display result based on selection. Defining the menu option. First, define clear menu choices like 1 for add, 2 for subtract. To set up the cases the switch will check. Getting user input. Prompt the user to enter number matching menu option. Store this input decide program flow with the switch. Implementing the switch statement. Handle case and perform the addition operation. Perform the subtraction operation. Show error if input is invalid. Switch versus if-else when to use switch. Switch better for discrete fixed values, cleaner and easier to read. Directly supports multi-case decision, and if-else handle range and complex condition, more flexible but can get messy, good for Boolean logic and comparisons. Use switch for clean multiple choice. It simplifies code and improves readability. Always include break prevent unexpected fault truth bugs. And default case is a safety net. Handles unexpected input gratefully. Yun lang guys. Thank you.